Hello, this is John H. Quinn, and this is my presentation on my reflection for Module 5 of the ET5063 course from ACE, my master's degree program. I'd just like to point out that I did my copyright little trick here for the front of my slide. This is just a PowerPoint slide. I was going to use a Paint slide and then just go through it, but I thought, you know what, I might as well put it on PowerPoint and then use Screencast-O-Matic, which I'm using right now, to present it. And here we go. First slide, the reflection slide. Second slide, I wanted to conceptualize the concept of the conceptual framework, and I wanted to compare it to an island chain as my knowledge chain. And if you notice, this is the Hawaiian Archipelago Islands. You have the Windward Islands, the Leeward Islands. Well, little does people know, I was just doing some research. Over here, before the main island of Hawaii, there's like old islands that are now underneath the sea that eroded, that are now gone. And it led me to think I could use this as my past, my present, and my future for my content knowledge that I've learned in this course. So what I did was I did a picture of the Hawaiian Islands and the Hawaiian Archipelagos, which this is just the Hawaiian Islands here, but all these are all part of the archipelagos. Anyways, there's different parts to it. This is called the leeward part of the Hawaiian Islands, or the Hawaiian Islands. Over here before it, they're called the Emperor Seamounts, and some of them are still up, but most of them are eroded away and gone. And then this is the northwestern Leeward Islands. It's north and west, or west-northwest of, it says northwest and all the stuff I learned, but it's really west-northwest on the azimuth that pertains to the archipelagos. Anyways, basically what I did was I wanted to do that Venn diagram, but it just wasn't feasible because your past, your present, your future, they don't overlap. If you're in the future, you wouldn't know, like in the future, you wouldn't know what's coming still. If you're in the past, you wouldn't realize what the future holds. So you could never overlap those using past, present, and future model for this assignment, for the reflection. So I kept thinking, well, what can I use? What can I use? And I thought about this. I kept saying to myself, well, the present becomes the past, and you got to get rid of it, and then it goes from the present to the past, and the future still hasn't come yet. And I thought, volcanic chain islands. It starts and then it just rolls by. Tectonic plates keep moving, and sure enough, here's my past. Here's the present. Here's the future. And I thought about it, and it made sense to me. This is like the ancient past over here. The Emperor Seamounts, they're gone. Not totally, but they're on their way. The Hawaiian Islands are the present. These are the present here. The ones that are still spewing out lava. They're still creating more islands all the way through here. Anything with a volcanic island on it, that's the present. It's making them up. And the future's way out here. And where I'll get to the comparison is this right here. If you look, here's them broken up. Here's the I don't want to say the wrong one. Here's the leeward part. Here's the windward part. So basically what happens is, I'll get it to my next slide, and there it is. If you think about it, this is not only the past, but it's like the ancient past. This is now the present. Here's all the islands that are like here's all the islands that are like volcanic and they're still producing. It's like the present. And then here's the future. Now I wound up saying, here's future here, here's future, here's future. Well, this could be the distance future, There's nothing in the ocean yet. It could become part of the island chain. And that's just the way. I thought it was a pretty good idea. I wish I could explain it better, but the basic gist of it is your past, present, and future of knowledge is more similar to a volcanic island chain, an archipelago, so to speak. And it just fits the model better than a Venn diagram. Thank you for paying attention. I appreciate it.